Who would have thought 5 years ago or 10 years ago that you could make executive platinum with American Airlines without flying?
Buying meal kits, SIM cards, low cost hotel rooms, and all these other strange mechanisms.
Exactly. And maybe when sometimes those mechanisms, it's not as black and white. I love to say that example. You don't need to fly and you could get executive platinum. But maybe the example is that you would have regularly qualified for platinum through your flying. But now you're going to do a couple other things and you're going to get executive platinum. So think how much better that's going to make your flying when you requalify. But you do the same thing through Delta. Think how much better it makes the effort that you take. Maybe you would have organically been Delta Gold, but the effort that you make to make you Diamond or Platinum at Delta, think how much better it makes your experiences.
Yeah, that's right. I do a lot of staple spend, buying the fee-free MasterCards, buying the FanDuel gift cards, and much more. Even at 1.5x Delta, I'm also getting progress towards status and many other benefits from the program. Not the biggest one in the world, but I'm just looking for more cards. Of course, the answer to everything is more credit cards. I'm just looking for volume. I maxed my Chase in cash for 5x, so I'm looking for other cards that bonus office supply as well.
Sometimes to get a higher status level or to level up and do it a little bit better since you're doing it. So this is all stuff that we discuss. It's a great social group, lots of things going on. The only thing that we haven't really announced yet on Sunday is we know the time of when the master classes are going to be. And when we do the master classes, it's a really intense class from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. with a really nice buffet lunch because we want to make it a good experience for people. And also it makes it a really nice social lunch. And that's from 10 to 3 on Sunday. If you're thinking about doing master classes, and we're going to have travel and casino master classes, then you're going to want to definitely leave Sunday at the end of the day, or if you're going back to the East Coast, Sunday on the red eye, or leave the next week. That's one of the reasons why we've put this entire outline of the schedule on the ZorkFest website so that you can really get an idea about those kind of things.
All right. And one more time for the website.
ZorkFest.com. That's TravelZork on all social platforms. We also have a Travel Zork Facebook group, which I think is a really great group. It's got a couple thousand people, but it answers a lot of questions for people. You can find me. I'm often on X quite a bit, but on all the platforms we have travelzork.com. That's our main content website. That's our travel and casino loyalty website. We've been running that website since 2013. Justin does a wonderful loyalty corner article almost weekly, which is fabulous. People have been loving that.
Yep.
Mark Meltzer also does a lot of Vegas roundup. And we talk about other casino, a lot of Vegas oriented casino loyalty, some travel loyalty.